guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Rap Sesh. This week we are doing another awesome project. Right here in front of us we have a Ninja 400, right?
Yeah.
Kawasaki Ninja 400 street bike. This bike is like so fun size. I love it because I have an FZ07, which is a lot bigger technically, and I can like barely walk it around, but like this thing feels like a toy. Like I
It's
can
a lot
stand
lighter.
flat-footed, it's light, like you can move it around. This is for a local female rider and model that I love to death, Miss Christmas.
Christmas.
That's not her real name.
That's not her name.
That's what we call her.
It's because it's like Christmas.
Yeah, she is like Christmas, you'll see. So her name is Lindsay Lockwood. You can find her on Instagram at Little Lindsay. She is a local, mostly, she does a lot of car models, but she does like any kind of modeling, really, like fashion. What other kind of modeling is there?
She has a very like pin-up kind of look.
She's very
right?
pretty.
She's very pretty.
I
I don't know what to do with my hands.
Yeah, that's how I feel most of the time. So she does do a lot of like car scenes. You'll see her at car shows and stuff promoting. She does really good like fashion and fitness stuff. Beautiful, beautiful model, and like the sweetest girl in the entire world. I actually used to do car show promotion with her, and I would do photo shoots and like events. So that's kind of how I met her, and that was, I mean, 3 or 4 years ago. We've seen her at SEMA a couple times. She's always out at SEMA with booths, and this is her bike. She just went through a motorcycle training course and bought this Ninja 400 locally. And so, you know, we had to do it. Like, this is what we do is motorcycles is what we specialize in, but especially female-ridden projects or female-driven projects. I'm like all about it, and I love this girl to death. So we were really excited to do this. All right, so for this project, let's first start off with the design process. We used Curvaceous Wraps again. Who's over in Oregon, yes, Curvaceous Wraps. And the whole design theme that Lindsay wanted was like a Sailor Moon kind of vibe with like the upside down crescent moons and like the rose petals like falling off. Super girly, super classy, like that's just kind of her style.
Yes.
So we used Christina over at Curvaceous Wraps who did this design for us. This is a little kind of rendering that you can see done up. The big thing for us that we really wanted to do is we didn't want to print this on just a flat white regular print media. It's
too boring.
It's too boring. That's basically, it's been done before. We wanted to do a custom print on a color change film. We had a few things on hand from past projects, and for us, you know, we just got into printing. Like, this is an experimental thing for us, like off the bat. We are not printing professionals. We're learning how to do it, and it always gets really tricky when you move into printing on a film that's not meant to be printed on.
Yes.
If it's a matte or a pearl or some kind of crazy color like psychedelic, like you really gotta dial in your printer and know what you're doing and what you can do and what you can't do.
It's kind of a learn as you go kind of thing.
For us it is, yeah. Well, we're always trying to kind of push the envelope and make things not as normal.
When you push the envelope, like she said, things happen.
Things happen,
and you're going to fail to be able to succeed.
Right. So I know that sometimes there's issues when you're printing latex because that's printing on top of films. You can't necessarily just print on any film like a gloss pearl or a satin pearl with latex. Solvent, I feel like there's a lot more opportunities as far as what you can print on for your surface, but you still run into unforeseen issues. And for example, I want to show you this print right here. You'll have to get a little close up. This was just a test print with some extra material we had lying around. This is Avery Gloss Pearl.
It actually ended up looking like it printed on the paper and then on the vinyl, and then it actually looked like it started separating, almost like it was on an oil or something. You know?
Really weird, like something I was not expecting at all. So if you look up close to this, you're gonna see instead of this being black like it should, you see all these weird like green, foggy cracks in it. So what we did is we stopped it like on the first run right here. We called our Muto tech, Chris, who I'm unfortunately on the phone with a lot. He probably hates me, but he really saves me. So he actually put a different printing profile on. We tweaked a few things. We also found out that our black ink was a little bit low, which is why we were getting banding issues. So we had to tweak the printer a little bit. And then we did another test print. It was a little better, but still had the same problem. So we just concluded that this material was not going to be our best choice for this print at this time.
We got to do a couple things with that.
Yeah, we're going to have to tweak to get that right.
Yeah.
So it is trial and error. I'm on my 3rd or 4th, like this is 1, 2, and I have one down under here of test prints before I got this thing perfectly dialed in to be printing like it is now.
That's what it takes.
Hopefully it's printing good like it is now.
It is.
This film
Printing
right here, and the film we are actually printing on currently is a 3M 1080 gloss Ghost Flip. So this is like a white iridescent with a rainbow flip to it. So it's really cool, like in the areas with the stars.
And the rose petals.
And the rose petals.
Like that.
It's iridescent and it really catches the light and it's kind of got that rainbow sheen.
It makes the stars look like they're flickering.
Yeah.
Like an actual star does. So
yeah.
It's definitely.
So this is a satin version, but we're printing on a gloss right now and it's gonna be laminated gloss. That's the end goal. And then we're gonna do the areas like the decals and the crescent moons and some of our helmet accents in a reflective 3M film.
Yeah, so this doesn't have the moon on it right now, as you see, but we're gonna
That's
overlay
on the front
that.
end.
Yeah, we're gonna overlay the moon.
So now that we are finally printing properly,
yeah, nice.
Now we just have to install the whole
Nice
thing
and crispy.
before Hot Import Nights.
Don't you just wait, we gotta laminate it still.
And we still have to laminate it. There's still many things that can go wrong. Speaking of shows though, this bike is actually going to be revealed for the first time ever at Hot Import Nights. That's June 8th up in Scottsdale. And then some other local shows that we have coming up. June 11th, Tuesday night, is Cycle Gear's monthly bike night show. We are now the official sponsored wrap shop or the official vendor for that show. So we will be there on a monthly basis if you guys want to come.
That's a little booth out there.
Yeah, that's every second Tuesday of the month over at Cycle Gear in Mesa. So we're really excited for that one. And then we have a Culture, Beauty, and Fitness Expo that's here in Phoenix on June 15th on a Saturday.
It's a little bit of a different show for us.
It definitely is. They asked us to be there and they really wanted us to promote like female riders and drivers. So we're gonna have a lot of those kinds of wrap projects there and just really fun stuff. So that's gonna be a new kind of experience for us.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, that'll be a different scene.
So that's what we have coming up next month. We've got a lot of really cool custom high-end projects I'm really excited for, so.
Oh yeah, we got a few tricks up our sleeve.
Let's get going on this bike, yeah?
Yeah.
El lunes, vamos a bailarlo, vamos a danzarlo. It's Ricky Baker on the beat, eh.
Es difícil disimular lo que pasa por mi mente cuando te tengo de frente, yeah. Esas ganas de tocar ese cuerpo lentamente, divertirnos malamente con tu piel. Baila hasta que la noche se acabe, bailamos salsa y reggaetón. Eres hermosa y a tu cuerpo lo sabe, que bailas con esa pasión. Si lo haces como eso lo mueves, yo me imagino eso en acción. Chica, sé que tú tienes la clave, baila conmigo esta canción.
Baila conmigo, tú no bailas con cualquiera. Hagamos de la fiesta nuestra cita en primavera. No estamos para acordarnos de tantos malos momentos, estamos para disfrutar y vivir una nueva era. La más loca.
So we actually ended up adding some more things onto this bike. We wrapped the whole visor and all the markers in this Luxe Auto Tint. What is it, like gloss rainbow sparkle?
Like starlight something.
Starlight sparkle, something
Yeah.
like that. Really cool effect, I like that. And that also was incorporated into the helmet design as well. And then the crescent moons on the helmet and the windscreen are 3M reflective. But yeah, some of the problems we probably encountered with the bike, just the fact
the
that it was on
material.
a custom print in the first place. You know, we talked about how we ran into issues with the pearl and everything. We ended up printing on the gloss Ghost Flip.
Yeah, so it's on a 3M based material, so it was already tacky to begin with, and you get, you know.
Their iridescents are hard
but,
to work with
yeah.
to begin with. And
But
then
it
we
was
printed
black on, so it was super saturated, so it was really soft and gummy to work with, but it was really tacky as well. So those are kind of the issues we had with the material.
Some problems with like bubbles, you had to poke them, they wouldn't push out.
There was like zero air release. Like,
Right. And like areas like this tank, like normally I feel like if we did this in Avery or something, we could do this tank in one piece and then secure all the edges. With this one, we actually, which you can't even see, I want you to get up close on this. This whole area right here has a fuse seam hiding underneath it. So we pulled this tank in one piece and we had to relief it all right here. And then Michael laid a butt cut in the area that we cut out. And then we did an overlay of all these roses. And the way it makes it look is that there's no seams, there's no lifted areas or anything. It looks like one single piece.
And it holds everything down.
And it holds it all down.
So we started back here, pulled the whole thing over, and then, you know, that way we got these nice and tight.
Right.
And then we just relief cut, picked
And
it
then
back up,
stretch the rest
of it.
And then the most important thing to remember with bikes, we always take all the panels off.
Oh, yeah.
We wrap around the edge and then we seal the edge with the laminate strip. Same for the tank, it's got laminate strip around the edge. So it's not something that's just gonna pop up, you know, the next day when it goes outside or anything. Everything is around the edge, so it's gonna be good to go.
It's even into the gas cap there, like it'll never fail.
It's solid for sure. So I think we just have to get the final reflective decals on and stuff, and then it's good to go.
Yeah.
And then we're revealing it at the Hot Import Nights, which again is June 8th. But yeah, I'm super excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. I want to do a quick shout out to all of our collaborators on this project. We worked with Curvaceous Wraps, Miss Christina, on this Sailor Moon design. Thank you, Miss Christina.
Super cool design.
We printed this out on our 1624X Wrapper's Choice solvent printer from Muto America. They really help us like fine-tune our prints so we can do all these specialty and custom color change print wraps, and like that holographic window perf that you saw. Like we can print crazy cool stuff now, and it's all thanks to them, and they really help us out.
And this is only the beginning. We're always testing on different
we're always
films.
trying to like push it.
So
yeah, it's been really nice having them back us up. And then also 3M, which is all the film, and our sponsored writer, which is Little Lindsay. Her Instagram is @LittleLindsay, I believe. Christmas. And Lux Auto Tint. So yeah, and if you guys are interested in motorcycle wraps, please hit us up. We specialize in it. We love doing motorcycles and helmets. You guys can actually ship your plastics to us from anywhere around the world, and we can wrap them and send them back to you, and you're good to go. And we would love to give you guys a custom motorcycle wrap. We love to do this kind of stuff, as hard and time consuming as it is.
Herd.
It's so hard.
It's so hard. If you guys want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to hit up Wrap Sachet Z and Vinyl Vixen Wraps on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you take the Wrap Sesh fun. See you next week.
Los más lunáticos.
So, we wanted to do a custom print.
You okay?
No,
You want me to cough you?
I died. I'm like, oh.
She's, yeah?
Yeah,
Oh yeah. No?
that's not how it works.
Why not?
But look at your leg.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah,
It's
bad place
nice.
to
I
be.
shoot people with flames.
No, you don't shoot nothing. Do like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrap Sesh
Wait,
vibe.
no, we were gonna do karate.
Dude, you guys, I just tried this. You need to try it.
Oh, Peppa.
I'm working, Cheryl.
Ooh,
Me.
that's nice. Grapey.
So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrap Sesh vibe. Say it like that. Ooh, that's a lot. Something's happening inside of me.
Yeah. You feel like you could do karate?
Do it. You're supposed to do karate.
Because you were just like straight up. I didn't know when we were gonna do it.
Did you want to just stand there for a blank moment until it was uncomfortable and then do karate?
And I can like lean on it. Ow, that wasn't
If
even
you
a
put
good-
it in front of me, it's gonna
You
get
hit
wet.
my leg.
Well, that's because you don't have a butt.